Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. So today is 18th of January 2021. So today we got a special edition. Today we got this recovery stocks. Okay, so last few days, right, I think last week, right, I talked about I want to do some research, more research on the recovery stock. So finally I found an article about this recovery stock published in KLSE screener. So let me see. Yeah, KLSE screener. So it's published from the Edge. Sorry, the Edge. Okay. So this one is an analyst. Analysts recommend this stock for recovery team play lah. So it's they got a lot of quite good information inside. Okay. So we want to dig into this. Before that, of course, we want to talk about the disclaimer first. Sorry, disclaimer first. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Okay, so recovery team. Let's check out the article. This article, right, was published on the Edge Monday, October 11, 2021. So 3 months back. Okay, they already done the fundamental research. So these are the stock that they actually recommended. So a summary will be here. Okay, this article, right, I will put it in the below the video. If you want to read the video, I want to read the article, you can go ahead read the article, and I will post it in Facebook also. So these are the stock. Okay, Airport, CARLSBG CIMB, Genting Malaysia, Genting, Heineken, IGBB, IGB REIT, PTRANS, RSB Bank. This is 7-Eleven and Tesco. This one I will ignore 7-Eleven because the chart is too volatile to analyze, and this one also IGBB also. Others I will talk about it today. So let's go through the whole thing. Okay, the first one is Genting. Okay, Genting, this one CGS-CIMB, right? Give it 7.25 and Genting Malaysia 3.45. Okay, so let's look at these two recovery stock. Genting CIMB, give it 7.25, very high, 7.25, sorry, 7.25 is around here, okay, here, okay. So this is the one of the stock that they say got have this recovery play. So now the price is at where? The price is at 4.6 only, around 4.6. Now there's a small drop, You know what happened, right? Now the price suddenly all drop, all this recovery stock, right? All drop, right? Because of the window dressing. I think the price went up premature during the window dressing, right? So a lot of this stock, a lot of investors actually became quite confident, right? Starting to buy into this all recovery stock. Actually, it's not ready yet. I think there'll be one more drop before the recovery stock can really go in, except the bank. Other recovery stock, I think there will be one more drop because what? Because we see we talk about this, right? This one, this manipulation. I don't say manipulation. Window dressing. Actually push it up too early. Actually, suppose the price to now only. I think around price should come back and retest 1,525 or around this area. I think this will be the real push. After this drop, right? This will be the real push. This is for me, right? It's a fake push. That's why all the recovery stock I think started to move prematurely, too early. Okay, so there will be a drop. I think there will be a drop before it will go up for all the recovery stock, except the bank one. So possible there will be a drop. Okay, there will be a drop. So do take note. Okay, do take note. Most of the recovery stock there will be a drop in the short term. Okay, before KLCI find a solid footing, probably at 1525. 1514 or 1005. Okay, after it find a solid footing to rebound up, then this one will be the real rebound of the
recovery stock. Okay, so don't celebrate too early yet. We have to wait for the KLCI to finish after the fake window dressing. Definitely there is a correction. Okay, the correction to come back to the price most likely before the window dressing. The actual price, the actual fair value of the stock market, the fair value of KLCI will drop back to the fair value until it will. Then this one I think will be the strong one. Will be the strong push up. Okay, so Genting recovery. Okay, so Genting they put it quite high. Okay, they put it quite high from the current price to them. To CMB. We are talking about 50%, 55%. Okay, so Genting Malaysia CMB give let me see. CMB give 345. Okay, 345 from our current price. We are talking about 16%. So Genting is the one with the better margin, better most likely will be the one that can yield a better return in investment, return better ROI if you buy into Genting than Genting Malaysia. But it's not guaranteed. Okay, it might flip. This one might go to this target, right? You see, it might go to this target. Okay, of course, the MB give 345. What if it goes to UOB target, right? So nobody can guarantee which target it will go to. What if it goes to UOB target? So you are talking about 30-40%. So quite similar both okay. So then they also talk about after Genting, they talk about airport. Okay, so airport CGS-CIMB gives 6.96. Okay, now we got a target. Before this, I don't have target. Now we got a target, 6.96. So now you see the price broke. When above our this buying point, then now come back down. Now our stop loss 5.5. We drop below stop loss. We still follow our strategy. We out first. We wait for the next rebound. Wait for the next rebound. The price could drop some more. So this one, if it drop, because this one, right, we just pick. Now remember, all these recovery stock, we are only picking the bottom, play small pick the bottom because the average buying up. So when it goes through, like this Genting, when it goes to 3 ringgit, then only it's a real rebound. This is real rebound. This pick some bottom, just keep first. This is the real rebound. After go to 3 ringgit, only is the real thing. This one also, right, goes to 5 ringgit, only is a real thing for Genting. Also you have to take note. Now we are so pick some bottom, park there first. When it goes up, we will add. Okay, so let's see which one now. Airport. Okay, airport probably will come down to 5.59. Hopefully it will not drop below. Hopefully it will not below. If drop below, cannot go up, maybe we still need to cut loss. Hopefully it don't go. If it drop below a bit, I think still okay. Because now the market being affected by the window dressing. After the window dressing, now everything big drop. So a lot of sellers start to sell their stock. A lot of sellers scared. A lot of investors scared. So they start to sell the stock. Of course, as I said, you can sell all the short-term stock, touch and go stock. I will sell those long-term stock. No need to recovery stock, right? Don't need to sell first because these are all the stock that we expected. We expect it to go very far, and not in the short term. We expect long term it can go very far. Or like this MAHB, we are expecting maybe around 20%, right? 20% to, you see, align with our channel bottom, right? You come back here to the channel bottom is a CMB price. Okay. So IGB REIT, CGS-CIMB give it 1.88. So IGB REIT 1.8. 1.8 is quite high here. So this one, okay, this one you want to play, wait for the breakout. Wait for the price to go above here first. This high. 167, 1660. It goes above and stay above 1660, then you want to aim for say MB 1.88. Then Tasco, they also keep a buy call 1.75. RSB give buy call Tasco 1.75. Tasco. Tasco also dropped. You see, all it dropped, right? So it gave 1.75. This one is what? 1.79. Sorry, RSP 1.79 here. So Tasco still got a lot of growth possible from now. Now it's around here. We're talking about 50 over percent, 50 over percent. So after that, Carlsberg and Heineken. Carlsberg and Heineken, they didn't give the target lah. We take a quick look Carlsberg and Heineken. Here already here. Oh, sorry, it's here already. Carlsberg. Okay, so Carlsberg have dropped out from this channel. Now I think you need to and Kenanga give it 23 only, not very far, not a lot of not very big margin to play. Let me see the channel down here. Oh, it's a channel. Yeah, now it's a downtrend. So this one not a big margin to play. Not I don't see a big margin to play. Maybe you want to pick bottom here. Here, go through here. Maybe you want to pick some bottom here. 22 point, this one. Average up lah, 21.125. If we stay above 21.125, you maybe add some. Then maybe after it goes up this channel 21.895, add some. So this one probably not much to play lah. 9%, 15%. Probably I think you can go maximum here, probably around 24 lah. So this one not a very good, not a very big margin to play lah. Not a big margin, but still okay lah. First entry will be here. Second entry will be 21.125. Second will be 21.89. Look at Heineken. Heineken Hong Leong Bank give 22.5. So not much to play also. Heineken also not much to play. Not much to play. Heineken. Let me see. It goes above here, maybe can play, maybe put target at 23 lah. Maybe 23 I think can reach, but not much margin to play lah. All these brewers, it's too heavy lah. This stock, all these stocks are too heavy lah. Maybe 8%, 10% play only lah. This one This one maybe Heineken goes above this one 22.08, maybe can play Heineken. Banks are RSP and CIMB. So M Invest give RSP 680. Okay, so RSP still got chance to go. RSP is here only, still got maybe 17% to go. So also they give which one? CIMB. MAS give 5.8. So still got some margin to go. After it come back 5 ringgit, a rebound around 5 ringgit, maybe you can play, or it comes back, wait for it to correct first, it come back further 5.4 or 5.1 rebound, then only we go for the next one. Most probably we have to watch the KLCI. I think most probably the time for us to pick up again, right, is after this KLCI, this one. After KLCI, right, does this correction, right, after it finish the correction, around 1525 or around 1005, after this rebound, then possibly that is the time for us to add to the these are recovery stock, or buy in the recovery stock. Now you see it's dropping again. So then wait, who else? Perak Transit buy call. Invest buy calls 1.08. P-Trend. B-trend buy call. Okay. 1.0. Oh, this one got big margin. Oh. This one maybe jackpot. This one maybe play jackpot can get 60%. So this one maybe can play some jackpot. So this one, if it can go above 0.660, stay above 0.660, maybe can pick about a bit. This is a bit too far. I think 0.8 probably, but wow, I invest 1.08, very, very high. Well, this one jackpot, maybe can try pick a bit and keep it in your portfolio. Maybe this one can hit jackpot for you. 7-Eleven, the chart I can't. It's too volatile, too small volume. Who else? Let's see which one I haven't put in. Tasco. Tasco, they got say, but they never say the target for Tasco. I got Tasco. Tasco, a higher TP of 1.79. Buy call, Tasco 1.79. Look at Tasco. Tasco also drop after this window dressing finish. Tasco also drop to our stop loss. If we continue to drop, cut loss first. No choice. If we continue to drop below 1.125, cut loss first. We want to wait for this whole thing, this whole KLCI, the recovery, the KLCI correction finish. Once it rebound again, then only we buy in again. Maybe the market jump the gun because of the window dressing. Okay, so this one probably wait for it. If we continue to drop, we cut loss first. If we can hold, then we keep. So this one, their target is here. CARLSBG 1.79. So still got quite a big margin to play. Okay, quite a big margin to play. 60%. So all this, hopefully we wait for this correction finish, then we pick up again. Then I see Bonia also got some chance. Take a look at Bonia. Bonia also, I saw another article say Bonia got chance, but Bonia already fly. Bonia, wait for a drop first. Wait for a drop, maybe come back to this area. Drop back below, already fly, too late to chase. Come back below 0.97, then only I think can try. Now already fly already. Bonia already fly. Bonia, sorry, not Bonia. Maybank. Maybank also is our pick. So all this after some correction get cheaper, I will add to my holding. So this one you see Maybank, you see got all this target M invest 9.90. Even this 9 point something, right? We are looking at how many percent? Bank got 13% is very good. M invest is 19%, but I think around here 12% is somewhere I would target for Maybank. Okay. So that's it for today. Don't forget, subscribe, like. Okay, don't forget to do this. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay, so see you again tomorrow. Happy holiday. Bye bye.